Computation of test data in TensorFlow tutorial. I was going through the tutorial of TensorFlow. This URL. Towards the very end, we pass in test data to the placeholders. Y underscore is matrix containing true values. And Y is the matrix with predicted values. My question is, when is Y computed for the test data? The W matrix has been trained by backpropagation. But this trained matrix must be multiplied with new input X, test data, to give the prediction Y. Where does this happen? Normally, I have seen sequential execution of code, and in the last few lines, Y isn't called explicitly.
Accuracy depends on correct underscore prediction, which depends on Y. So when you call ses.run, accuracy, feed underscore dict equals, x columnist.test.images, y underscore columnist.test.labels, Y is computed before accuracy is computed. All this happen inside the TensorFlow graph. The TensorFlow graph is the same for train and test. The only difference is the data you feed to the placeholders x and y underscore.
Y is computed here. Specifically, what you are looking for is width in that line, the output of which is put through the softmax function to identify the class. This is computed in each of the 1000 passes through the graph. Each time the variables w and b are updated by gradient descent, and y is computed and compared against y underscore to determine the loss.
If you want to break channel, post and say, and grab it.